Now, ladies and gentlemen, you're my past students. Some of you may not have actually been taught by myself, but I want to give this lecture on the 11th of December. I hope it's not going to be the last lecture that I ever give in my life, but the main idea is I want to get across to you what is happening on the ESG scene in Kenya. The Institute of Certified Public Accountants have actually made it compulsory to engage in ESG reporting. It's going to be a three-step affair. The first step begins next year, the second step the following year, and then by 2027 it's going to become compulsory in Kenya. It's already compulsory for the 63 companies on the Nairobi Securities Exchange, and it's something that people all over the world are talking about at the moment. What's going to be special about this particular lecture is that I don't want to deal with the normal things that you will hear everywhere else, because I'm sure that you've been in webinars, you've been in lectures and seminars as well, but I want to make this a little bit different. I want to bring you up to speed with what's actually happening in Kenya, and then, what exactly are we looking at for the future? These are things that you're not going to hear in the normal lecture. So I want to incorporate all of those. I want to make this as interesting as possible. The lecture is going to be on December the 11th. It's a good time for you. Just pumzika kidogo, and you come and join in. You are eminent ladies and gentlemen, and I will treat you like eminent ladies and gentlemen.